YouTube? Y'all know who it is. It's your girl Alexis back once again with another video. And today, y'all know by the title, I'm gonna do an unboxing video for the Canon G7X Mark II power shot. Period. So, yesterday I went to Best Buy and I got my Canon! Okay, I've been wanting this Canon like the whole summer, so I used my birthday money and I got it. It's a long story. I had to go to Best Buy like 5 times, and I was gonna go buy it on Amazon, but it was just too much, so I just got it at Best Buy. So I got the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Okay. Thumbnail! Yeah, this is my official YouTuber. If you don't know what this camera is, most YouTubers use this for like vlogging, or they can just use it as their normal camera. I'm gonna use it for probably both, but yeah. And then I also got this SD card with 128 gigabytes. Can you guys see? And I also got a tripod from Best Buy. So yeah, now we're gonna get to the unboxing. Right now I'm filming on my iPhone XR. Okay, I haven't opened it yet. Okay. Okay. They recently came out with the Canon G7X Mark III, but I watched some like review videos and I didn't really like what I heard about it. Like, they said the autofocus wasn't that good. And I mean, it's good if it's only $100 more than this. This is like $649, but I didn't really want it. I went the Mark II, so it comes with all this information. Should probably read this getting started. Register, limited warranty, and then, oh my god, I'm scared to touch this thing. The actual camera. Oh, the wristband. I was like, I don't know what this is. The battery. Sorry, I'm gonna do it. And the charger for the battery. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay, and now the actual camera. Okay, let me get close up for this. So, this is what the actual camera looks like. Oh, fingerprints. I should go get some gloves. Okay, this is what it looks like up close. So I'm gonna put the battery in so I can turn it on. I watched like a lot of reviews before I got this camera. And I watched a video on how to put this thing in because, oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, guys. So I figured out how to put the battery in there. So I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, set date and time. Okay. Okay, guys, so I just set the date and time, and this is just what it looks like. It says no memory card, so I'm gonna put in this memory card that I got. It says cut along. Oh. Sorry, I don't know why I feel like it's necessary to show you guys everything. So I'm gonna put my SIM card in here. The SIM card is not included. You have to purchase it by itself. Okay, now we're ready to turn it on. Lock it. Okay. Hey! Ah! And this is just what it looks like. My little viewfinder. The quality's pretty good. So yeah, it can even bend this way. So like if you were shooting upwards and you want to look, or if you're shooting downwards but you can't like if you're shooting like right here but you want to still be able to look at it flat, like you can look at it right here. So it goes either way, which is really cool. So I can look at myself, or I can look and see at some, you know, you guys know. And so now I'm just gonna test it out and see it how it works. So I'm gonna use both phones and I want to see like the comparison in quality. Right now I'm using my Canon G7X and I'm also using my iPhone, and I want to see like the difference in the qualities because iPhone does have a good like back camera quality. I don't know if you can tell, it's pretty clear, but the front camera, you know, it isn't that good. So I want to see the difference. And this one's like, I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself with this camera. Let me give you guys some attention too. But yeah, it's pretty, they're both pretty nice. And I also wanted to test the audio because the Canon G7X does not have an external microphone. The G7X Mark III does, but not the the G7X Mark II. So I wanted to hear how it sounds, and yeah, so I just want to test it out. So I'm gonna play this back and do a final review. So yeah, bye. Okay guys, so that was the visual and audio quality on the Canon G7X Mark II. Okay, you guys already know what camera I have. So I would give the visual like a 10 on 10, but the sound audio like a 6 on 10 because it really wasn't that good. I did look up a video, however, on how you can like attach a microphone so that you will have external sound, because other than that there is no external sound. But in all, I'd probably rate this camera like 9 on 10, 9.5 on 10, because it's a really nice camera. But like I said, the audio kind of sucks. But thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned some new things about the Canon G7X Mark II. I just love saying the name. I'm such a YouTuber. Guys, I'm an official YouTuber now. So please subscribe if you have not already and like this video. And also comment down below if you guys are getting G7X Mark II or Mark III. I want to know. But back to school videos are coming soon. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye girl, bye. To